What's up, y'all? It's Ace here. Coming at y'all with something special, you know, a little something special. Just like, hey, you know, why go to bed tonight? You know, why go to bed when I could be out driving? You feel me? So we finna meet up with the boys right now. Nah, it's some dope cars, man. We got I think there's like a Scat Pack. I know I seen a Hellcat. I seen a SS, just Chevy, and then there's a SS Camaro. Be lit, you know. And yeah, I'm gonna try to get the best clips for y'all. Hell yeah. All right, so you know we got a Camaro right here, man. Shit hard. I'm not gonna cap. It's wet. It definitely is. I don't know, man. I don't know if I got them, bro. I'm not gonna cap. I don't know. The Scat Pack. We all know about the Scat Packs, bro. All right. I can take them in like a 4130, but after that shit is over with. Hellcat over with. Not even, you know what I'm saying? 5.0. We got the Beamer. That shit, and then obviously we got my baby right there. So we finna get going, man. No, it does.
Emotional damage.
Man. Oh, fuck. Yo. Type shit. Alright. Are they pulling up for us? I don't know. Nah. Probably not. It's still wet though. I'm not gonna. Oh, it is. Okay. That shit wet, man. I'm not gonna lie. Fucking with it. They gonna warn you, dude. Man, some type of warning. Oh my goodness. Nigga wanna race me so bad. Yeah, he gon'. I'm not gonna count. It's all good. I'm not gonna lie. Hell yeah, it's all good. You got a couple people you can win or lose, nigga. Maybe the white people. I want to race that 5.0. I already fast. So what is it? Yeah, the platform, man. You really can be. You can be fast as shit. Man, the sound kills. Hey, is it canned?
Nah, that's the idle.
Damn, you can that shit? Oh my goodness. What is this, a Trackhawk and a Scat Pack? Possibly. Whoa, what the fuck? Maybe. Damn, these niggas pulled up deep, bro. Trackhawk. What is that? SS?
Hey, nigga, shit.
Damn. Fast and fucking furious, nigga?
That shit's good.
Hey, we gonna have to dip out, man. Alright, y'all, we finna roll out, man. Everybody starting this shit. Yeah, nah, I want this Beamer. I'm not gonna lie, I'm thinking about the Beamer. You know, you gotta know your matchups. You feel me? We rolling pretty deep, man. You know what I'm saying? We got some late night plans. That time is not right. It is pretty late. But that's not the right time. Where's my phone, bro? Shit. Type shit. Nah, we are outside tonight, man. God damn. Yeah, nah, this shit looks beautiful, bro. This shit looks beautiful. I can't even lie. I mean, it's so deep. Niggas had to park over here, bro. So shit. All right, You know, I had to get a little angle from the back, man. Oh my goodness. This shit is hard, bro. Oh my God. Another 550. Bro, it's really crazy because I thought this was a cop or something. I seen the blue lights from a while ago. But look, I was like, what? Bro, don't ever let lights you can see from a mile away. Wow. Yeah. So I legit just forgot to record. But here we are. Made it to a little Route 66 gas station. And I'm gonna roll out. I should have been recording, but it is what it is. So we're gonna see what's up. Appreciate it. Oh shit. Hell yeah. Trackhawk. That shit is noise. Noise. Alright, I'll be back. God damn. Damn, all these fools driving with no traction. God damn. It smelled good though. I'm not gonna lie. Hey yo! I'm not burning out these tires, man. Oh, we in the back. Yeah. Alright. So, we're in Mexico. Nah, I'm playing. I'm not even gonna pull that bullshit. Oh. Jesus. Man, I can't even hear my shit with all these niggas. It's so sad. Hey, shout out to this Camaro owner, but bro, turning the hazards on that early is disrespectful. I'm not gonna lie, I got dogged out, but that's why I'm tuning my shit, man. This right here was my inspiration.
Hello there.
I kid you not, your boy was just trying to go home. I don't know what they were on, bro. Like, I don't even know what I did. But, alright, man. Didn't even pull me over.
Hello. How you doing? Should I stop?
Your car?
Say it again?
Your car?
Yes, sir.